Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the Chicken Road app website, chickenroad.net, to see if it's safe to play or if it's a scam. So, firstly, what is Chicken Road? Chicken Road is an online game where you guide a chicken through a dungeon. The goal is to reach higher multipliers to win money up to £20,000. It's a simple game that runs on your computer or phone, no download needed. Now, let's talk about what's good about it. So, the game looks fun and easy to play. It works on almost any device, and the company says they work with licensed casinos, which sound promising. But here's the catch. Now, doing my research, some websites from Reddit and some forums give Chicken Row a low trust score, so that means people aren't sure if it's fully reliable. And some players also say it's hard to withdraw money if you do get to a decent amount of sum. So they have to meet tough rules before they can cash out, which can be super frustrating. And also, this website doesn't clearly say who owns it or how to contact support easily, so keep that in mind. So, is it safe? It looks like the game itself can be fun, but there are some warning signs about the website and money withdrawals. If you want to try it, just be careful and only play with money you can afford to lose. And also, always do your research before playing gambling games online and be aware of the risks.